Welcome to this amazing estate in a gated private community. It's perfectly situated on expansive grounds, yet this close-in property is an easy drive to Sherwood, Wilsonville, and downtown Portland. Nestled in this quiet, serene setting, it's close to a private lake where you can enjoy fishing, kayaking, and canoeing all year round. Through the private gate, discover the 12-home neighborhood surrounded by farmland. It's one of Sherwood's best-kept secrets. Heading inside, you'll find a spacious, inviting interior with more than 3,500 square feet, with both formal and informal living spaces. The open concept floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The beautifully remodeled kitchen has breakfast bar seating, an expansive island, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage space. Vaulted ceilings and plenty of windows create a light and bright interior. You'll also find a main level bedroom, office, and a full bath. On the upper level, you'll find a spacious master suite. The ensuite bath is well appointed with a dual sink vanity, jetted tub, and a large walk-in shower. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home includes a second master suite on this upper level. The beautiful, well-manicured lawns are ready for large or small gatherings. And you'll find plenty of space for your garden with raised beds, plus a dog run, sprinkler system, and a fenced-in area that's perfect for horses. Acres of hiking trails make it easy to get in that daily run or walk. The oversized garage and driveway allow plenty of room to park your cars, RV, or trailer. A beautiful home in a private community where you can vacation year-round. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Laura Myers with Premier Property Group at 503-804-1591.